welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope that you'll like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below so you get notifications of when I go live, which is usually Tuesday nights at 7 Eastern in the US. And when I get new videos like today's Boxycharm video. We love Boxycharm very much. And this is my base box. My premium was pretty good. Let's see what's in here. I never peek because I like to genuinely be surprised, and I don't remember what I chose for my choice item. And it looks like it's pretty good. And this is the Be My Glamentine. And I'm going to put my glasses on because the writing is a little small. Oh, I remember now. There's definitely some things in here I'm excited about. And other things I'm like, what? And I'm going to open it up. And the first thing that I am excited about is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It's a buttery eye cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus combined with targeted ingredients such as the active vital compound complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. $32. And I always add everything up because this is a $28.99 box now. So that's great. I use the yuzu overnight treatment every night. I love it a lot. So I cannot wait to start using the eye serum or whatever it is that goes with it. It's a little eye cream. It doesn't smell as good as the night mask does, but I'm still excited about it. Hooray! Hooray for Yuzu. I'll probably pick up some more of these on Macari. Then we have from Opv Beauty. This is a translucent powder. It's loose setting powder, perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on a setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. $22. And I have so many powders that I don't really care about that. I don't know that much about Opv Beauty. We've gotten some palettes and things from them before, and they're okay. And then from Claras, and this is a serum. And this is Claras New York Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. I've gotten several things with retinol lately. Maybe I should start using them. Maybe. 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oil intensifies, stimulates, and moisturizes quench skin. And quench skin. Okay. Because usually it would say moisturizes like dry skin, but quenched means it was already satisfied with moisture. Anyway, retinol provides anti-aging effects by acting as targeted treatment, promoting skin cell renewal and reducing the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles. Antioxidant-rich vitamin E hydrates while providing anti-aging benefits such as improved cellular strength and elasticity. Used daily for a brighter complexion. $24.99. I'm just going to call that $25. Let's take a look at it. And it looks like every other serum and every other kind of bottle. It's kind of nice, clean packaging. Let's see if it smells like anything. Not really smells like any, it doesn't really smell like anything. So it's very nice to have a serum. And then from Alley Oop, which I've never heard of Alley Oop. There's an old song, Alley Oop, Oop, Oop. Oop, oop. And this is Alley Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. It's vegan, latex free, and cruelty free. Let's see, I need my scissors to help get into this. I'm always in the mood for a new brush. And it says, this is an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applications, including a sponge, blush, grow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face of on the go or at home, each made up of premium synthetic fibers. 28 bucks. Oh, so it's got a sponge on one end. And this would be a nice, like, blush brush. That's okay. I'm not that excited about the sponge part because sponges just get nasty. But that's 28 bucks. I'll just lay that here. And then last but not least, from Bali Bomb, it is the Rich Pineapple Lip Scrub. I have so many lip scrubs. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an ultra smooth blending of the finest botanicals. This super hydrating coconut oil and aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and hydrated and supple. 23 bucks. See if I can open it. Good job for the scissors again. Ooh, that was tough. That was a tough box. I'm sure I'll gift this to somebody. It's got a loose top. It smells incredible. It smells really, really good. Very pineapple-y, very vanilla. Oh, that smells really, maybe I'll keep it. I don't do lip scrubs that often though, but that smells great. And we've definitely had Bali Lip Balm stuff in here before. So we got the lip scrub, we got the weird brush, we got the serum, we got the powder, we got the Uzu. The only thing I'm really excited about is the eye cream, really. This box has a $130 value, which is not bad for the $28.99. But, I mean, all I really wanted was the eye cream, and that's all that was really good. I mean, this serum is probably just fine. It's probably a fine and dandy serum, but this is all that I was really excited about. So for that, this box is kind of a bummer. It's a bummer box. But with that, that's my opinion. But I'm glad to have this, and this is still costs more than the entire box if I bought it by itself. So, and I'll get to using this sometime. But that brush is weird, and I have so much powder, and I've got lip scrubs. So there we have it. Thanks so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.